If you are looking for how to insert factory symbol, then keep watching. So let me open my on-screen keyboard, and here is the on-screen keyboard. So first you need to press this window key, and along with that semicolon key, and then you will be routed to the emoji section. And here you need to click on search box and type factory, and here is the factory icon. Click on that, close it and select it. Go to the home section and increase the size. You can change the effects as well. This is much better. Another way is that you need to type 1F3ED and press the Alt X all together. And this is what you can see, that factory symbol is inserted in MS Word. So I hope you understand how you can insert factory symbol in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.